people. So a big thank you to all of you all. Yeah, yesterday we put up these home remedy videos, and suddenly, like, I had a few more subscribers joining, and this one person, Manoj, who gave such a nice comment saying that this home remedy for muscular pain or whatever is like, for the ones who ride a bike, it really helps. So people, I just need to say this, yeah, that if I had the capacity to be giving these home remedies myself, maybe I would do it. But honestly, neither am I too keen to interested to do it, nor do I have the kind of, Renuka, who joined me with for the video, she has that inherent knowledge about these things. So I make these videos because I like to make them. Yeah, I mean, so anyway, so that's what I just had to say that. And uh, mm, that's what I'm also going to be speaking about this movie called uh, yeah, I think I'll make another video on it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.